Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's another episode here on Custom Car Bros, and in this episode we're working on a smaller project that is in a different place. So, well, actually that's garage over there, so it's in the garage. This is a one-wheel project that we are going to be building. So if you haven't seen the last video or the video, anyways, I bought a big engine for the go-kart, and then with the little engine, I decided to start making a chopper. And then there was an electric motor on that thing, and I was like, why make it waste when it still works? So, I decided to make a one-wheel, and then this has no motor, though, so there's not going to be another project just because this one existed. Hopefully not. Well, I don't know. Could be. Anyways, but basically, this is going to be ran by 2 batteries, maybe 2 of these. I think I might do 1. If it'll run off 1, I'll do 1. If it needs 2, I'll do 2. I'll probably add a counteractive weight over here because this motor's a little bit more on the heavy side compared to these light batteries. So this runs 20 volt max. And then we got these 2 big tires and this chain that fits perfectly on this gear, that gear, and everything. First I was trying to power this with a couple drill motors, but that did not work. Not enough torque there, and yeah, so we're scrapping that idea, and we're going with stuff that already worked. Like this was the tire to that scooter thingy over there, and this is the motor to that thing, and then this is the chain to it. So we got everything, all the connections made. What I did off camera though is I made these into 1 tire basically because I didn't really want to buy a fat one. Basically kind of welded them, kind of bolted them together. In this episode we need to attach this chain thing because it's not attached, the bolt's not quite in there enough, and then we need to tension this chain because it's super long. We might even make like a spacer that'll kind of pull it like way up, depending on how high it needs to go, but probably more like way down, like down to here. But anyways, we're just going to go ahead and figure it out as we kind of go. We're going to take this apart since it's a USB charger for the DeWalt batteries that I have, and I think it works. Probably should have tested and see if it works. Yeah, see, it works. When you plug your phone in, it charges there. We're going to take it off and we're going to go direct. If we need 2 of these, what we're actually going to do is 1 to power our Arduino if we do an Arduino system. If not, we're going to do a trigger system where you pull this trigger and you go forward. Simple as that. And there's a problem that one of my cousins kind of sort of pointed out on the chopper, and that is, well, I kind of sort of put the engine backwards. So I didn't quite think, oh, that doesn't make any difference if it's backwards. But it makes it go backwards. So I might buy a reverse transmission gearbox though for that thing to make it have forward and reverse, but probably not, because if I were to spend that much money on one of those things, I'd definitely get it for the go-kart. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn on some music, jump right into this build. It's kind of a crazy build. It's kind of gonna be more electronically complex, but I'll try to keep it kind of how-to-ish. If you're wanting to build a one-wheel like this, you're gonna need a motor, link in the description, tires. You can probably find those on your own, but yeah, I just find those on your own. Chain, then chains, spur gears, all this stuff, or you can just buy the whole scooter, which I'll have linked in the description below if I can find it. And then you're gonna want a DeWalt battery, which you probably have if you have a drill. If not, you need to get one of those, and then one of these little USB charger thingies. Go get one of those as well. You can get 2 of these for 19 bucks on Amazon, link down in the description below. So let's jump right in.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, we got that everything kind of put together and it is ready for testing. But that will be in the next video on the one wheel. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, turn on your notifications, subscribe if you're new, and share this video to all your friends who might be interested in trying to build one of these things. It's pretty straightforward. I started off with a frame, added some extra supports, that way you can put your feet there. It's pretty scary. We're probably going to be adding a little tiny wheels on each side, training wheels, so you don't wreck and die. You can also go check out our other projects, which we have one right over here. It's the Halo go-kart. It's called something else that we are making, so go check out that one's videos. And then we've got right here, we got the Super Stang. This is a 1995 Mustang we are turning into a supercar. Also go check that out. We're probably not going to be working on this one for a little while because it's kind of started getting colder and it's outside. And then update on Project Whitey. The body is on it and it's fastened and it drives. We've drove it a couple times. Sweet. Just gotta make some flatbeds and stuff like that. So yeah, and bigger tires because it's got a positive offset right now. Anyways, I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video. So check out my other videos. But just like that, this video is over and I'm out.